for it.
Oh, what?
I will not make a girl monster. They're gonna have babies and then they're gonna destroy the entire human race.
Huh? Oh, wait. I will be with you on your wedding day.
Oh no.
Okay.
Ah!
Alright.
There was a murder last night.
I don't know anything about that.
Come with me. Okay. There you go.
Oh my gosh, Henry! Ah! Oh no, I don't feel so well. Where am I? I think I might be in jail.
Sorry. From lack of evidence, we find you not guilty.
Yay!
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Alright. You're looking a little tired. Do you want to go back to the cottage?
Yeah, I guess I will.
Oh, look at
Ah! Oh no! Oh, Dad, are you alright?
I think my heart is broken. Poor Elizabeth.
Dad, I promise I will get that monster. Where are you going?
North.
Man, I don't feel so well. If I die, will you continue my quest?
Yes.
my adventurous died with my creator, and I will leave and die.
We're done.
Nicely done.